Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can record a cooking show on Dress to Impress. So here I'm just going to create a chef outfit first. I'm just going to use both hats. You can obviously just use one, but I'm extra like that, so actually I think I might just use one for this hairstyle. I don't know why the hairstyle looks weird on it. I might remove the bangs here. Okay, you know what, it's fine. I might just use this hair. And then I am going to add this on the face so it looks like a flower. And we're just going to create an outfit here. I'm going to use this. And let's do the dirty one because I don't want to make it super clean, you know? Use that for the fit. I'm gonna just use something simple, honestly. I'm going to add this. Actually, I just needed this skirt. Maybe not. I don't think I'm gonna add this one. Add this for the shoes. And the rest you can add later. I am going to use this as a rolling pin. And then I'm going to select the paint one, and then I'm going to add this this color for a flower, I guess. Then I'm just going to go to the front here to record the cooking show. But that's pretty much it, really. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.